In this video, we are going to use the upper, lower and proper functions in Excel so that you can convert this messed up data into either completely capital letters, completely small letters, or the first letter of each word should be capital. So there are different scenarios, but we can see here that the proper function is right here and the upper and lower is right here. So if we want to put that up and automatically want the other functions to shift down, what we can do is just select this data and just go to the corner, but I will hold the shift key as well and then start to move it or drag it upwards. Just select the data, hold the shift key and just go to the corner until you see this 4 arrows. Shift key and just hold it and place it wherever you want. I want to place it in between the proper and search. Just release this mouse and you will see that it will move that up and replace it and the other data will automatically drag down. So let's use this. First of all, if you want to make all of these as capital, equals to upper is the formula. It will turn all of this into uppercase, just like this. Then is lower. This will turn all of this text into a lowercase. But if you want the first letter of each word to be capital, we will use proper formula. Select the text, hit enter, and this will do this job. So that's another useful formula so that you can convert the messed up text into much meaningful text in Excel. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.